You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city or city in the Netherlands. So we're going to be looking at Dutch pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English as well. So the Dutch pronunciation first. If you want to learn more Dutch pronunciation, stay tuned. Groningen. That's your Dutch pronunciation. If you want to learn how to say Van Gogh in Dutch, that's going to be interesting as well. Groningen. Now, in English, it's more commonly pronounced as Groningen. Groningen is the English pronunciation, so just say Groningen unless you can pronounce the Dutch. Can you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.